Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Yellow, parrot green, blue, orange, red, chocolate. A, say with me, A for ant. B, say with me, B for butterfly. C, say with me, C for car. D, say with me, D for dog. E, say with me, E for elephant. F, say with me, F for fish. G, say with me, G for grape. H, say with me, H for horse. I, say with me, I for ice cream. J, say with me, J for jackfruit. K, say with me, K for king. L, say with me, L for lotus. M, say with me, M for mango. N, say with me, N for nest. O, say with me, O for octopus. P, say with me, P for penguin. Q, say with me, Q for queen. R, say with me, R for red. S, say with me, S for sheep. T, say with me, T for tiger. U, say with me, U for uniform. V, say with me, V for van. W, say with me, W for watermelon. X, say with me, X for xylophone. Y, Say with me. Y. Y for yak. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zoo. Subscribe for more videos.